Hi guys, here we have our intrepid mechanic, Callum Franklin, trying to keep a very, very straight face as he attempts to remove a snapped glow plug from the rear cylinder of a BMW 325 diesel. We've got one out already. It's a nasty, nasty job that very few garages will undertake. But nothing Callum won't do. Using the swarf from the glow plug with the magnet. And now we're going to see if we can get the actual glow plug out. Right, Cal's just finished his second stud removal. This is a glow plug from BMW. Hardly anybody we know will even attempt to doing this. And we're now able to offer this service if we get stuck. We've made the investment in the right kit. Happy boy?
Happy indeed.